How to tie a 4-strand round sennit. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my 4 strands laid out in front of me into which we're going to tie the 4-strand round sennit. It's held together at the top here with a constrictor knot, and then it's in my clamp here so I can actually get some tension on it when I'm working on it. So what I'm going to do is just space it out so that you can see the formula first of all. It's easier to show you doing it loosely than trying to show you with all my fingers in the way. So this is a very easy one to tie, and the first thing we do is we take the very left hand one here and we pass it underneath that one and then pass it underneath that one, but bring it back over. You'll see as I go along. So I lift up the 2 center ones, I bring the left hand one underneath both of them, and then once I've taken it underneath both of them, I then lift it up and bring it so it comes parallel to the left hand most one. And then that's it. That's the one side done. We then repeat this procedure with the right hand side. So with the right hand one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it underneath both my leads here and then bring it over the top and then allow it to cross over and come to the right hand side again. And then we do the same again on the left hand side. So with the left hand side, pick up the 2 middle ones, don't let them cross back over, take it underneath to the right hand side and then bring it over the top to separate those 2 out, and there we have it, we've done it again. So that's it tied loosely. What I'll do now is I'll untie this and just show you how to do it when you're doing it nice and tightly. Okay, so I've done it now, and what we're going to do is just do it tightly, as tight as I can in front of the camera here, and try and keep it so that you can actually see what I'm doing. So the formula is left hand one underneath the middle 2, so take the left hand one underneath the middle 2 and then take it to the right hand side, bring it over the top of that one there and bring it back to the left hand side so it becomes the second in on the left. We then do exactly the same on the right hand side and keep the tension on it now. So we bring the right hand one underneath the first one, then bring it underneath the second one, and then bring it over the top and take it along so it's parallel to the right hand one there. And then we do exactly the same for the left hand side. Take it underneath the first one, take it underneath the second one, over the top, and then bring it parallel to the one before it. And then just start pulling it up nice and tightly. And then we do the same again, right hand side, underneath one, underneath another, then back over the top to the right hand side. And what I'll do is I will now start doing that all the way down, and you'll see a nice round 4-strand sennit forming. And there you go now, you can see I've done a bit more and we've got a nice round 4-strand sennit has formed in our cordage.